Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a blob object using a string. But in this session, we'll discuss more about how to create a blob object using a file. So as we know in Git, we check in, check out a lot of files, we modify a lot of files. So this section is also very important to understand how exactly a blob object is created by using a file type. So in, in the previous session, we have used git hash object command to create a blob object for a sample string. But in this session, we'll use the same command, that is git hash object, and we'll use a file name or a file to create a new blob object. So let's get started. So I'll go back to my terminal and I will go to my directory where my git repository is. So I'll just do ls. So you can see my git repository, that is git repo. So as of now, I'll create a file in my desktop itself, let's say. So I will just type echo my file is complete. So this is my file content, and the file name I will give, let's say, completefile.txt. So you can see I have created a file called completefile.txt, and the content of the file is complete. So I'll just do a ls and see. So you can see there is one more file created in the desktop. I will do a cat command. So cat command is used for checking the content of the file. So you can see the content of the file is my file is complete, that is displayed over here, that we have used. So now the file is created. So now let's create a blob object for this particular file, that is completefile.txt. So we'll do one thing, we'll go inside our repo, that is git repo. So I'll type git repo and I'm here. Now we want to do a commit for this particular, or I want to create a blob for this particular file. So I will type git hash file and I will type the file name. So let's say I'm typing it like this. So it will not work because the file is not present over here. So what I have to do is, like, I have to go, or I have to provide the path. So for us, I am one step inside. So I am under git repo, that is present under desktop. So I have to provide something like this, and I have to write -d for creating this. So there is some issue. Oh, sorry for this. There is one typo. So we have to write git hash object, not file. And you can see, yes, the blob object has been created for this particular file, and the file name is completefile.txt. So now we'll do one thing, we'll go inside our git folder, .git folder, and we will do ls-la to see all the content. And we have a folder over here, that is object. I'll go inside object, I'll do ls. So you can see there is one more folder created, that is 78, which is the first two characters of this particular hash that we have seen previously. Just to repeat again, this particular hash is nothing but the complete name of this particular folder and the child object. So for instance, if I go to my Explorer and I'll go to this particular object, so you can see a new folder has been created, that is 78, which was not there previously. So this folder, if you add the 78 plus this file name, that is 78d6, which is equivalent to this particular hash value. So this is how it is created, and you can see now, similar to our previous blob object, that is our string that we have used for creating a blob object, it is similar to that. A file blob object is also created with the initials, that is 78, that's folder name, and the content or the file name over here. So now if you want to check this particular file content, so I can just do git space cat file and I'll do -p and I'll copy this particular hash as we have seen previously. And you can see, yes, the content of the file is my file is complete, which is similar to what we have used somewhere here. So this file contained the same content, but you cannot see the particular file name. So we will not find any file name in the blob object. That's why the blob object is, so actually blob object doesn't store the file name. So this is one limitation you can say, or like one thing that blob object doesn't contain. So just to check for the object type of this particular object, git object, I'll just do, so you can see it's a blob object only, and we have provided the hash. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep liking and subscribing for the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.